how to make this pop-up cheap paper squishy, and it does not hard to make, and it doesn't need any stuffing or plastic bag. It doesn't need stuffing or foam or sponge. And first I will be giving shout out to all my shout out of course, and thank you so much for all your comments, and thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. And I just want to make a video how to make this squishy, and without further ado, let's get to the video. Gonna do is just fold your paper in half like this, and then I'm going to, here is my pop-up chip squishy, and I'm going to mark the size you want. So I just cut out to be the same size like this. And what you're gonna do next is take your color pencil or pencil and mark the corner to be like pop-up chip squishy, and cut it out. So it should look something like this, and then you're gonna decorate it like pop-up chip squishy. So you just want me to do it. Okay, so let's get started. So after you draw it, you should take a tape and tape over both sides. So let's get started. So after you tape both sides, you should tape this side and this side. So I already prepared the tape. And also this side. Yeah, and you should cut out the excess. So this tutorial, I'm not going to fill it without stuffing or sponge or foam. So what I'm going to stuff it is plastic bag. So what you're gonna do is fill it with your plastic bag, and yeah, so here is my plastic bag, and I'm going to do it like this. And put it into the paper. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to fill it again. What you're gonna do next, just tape the bottom by using tape and I should use just a small tape first because this is gonna be hard. And then start tape the corner. So this is what my pop-up chips paper squishy look like. And you got to leave a hole for it to slow rising. Yeah, it kinda looks good. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.